Have you ever wondered or experienced a relationship with somebody जहाँ आपको लगता है ना यार यही सब कुछ है, इसे तो मैं छोड़ ही नहीं सकती, टॉक्सिक है तो भी मैं इसे नहीं छोड़ सकती. Or maybe an attachment where you feel inseparable just like Adisha. If yes, then I am going to unveil all these mysteries today. Stay tuned till the end. Welcome back to our channel where we deep dwell into the spiritual wisdom of the universe and bring the wisdom for you which changes your life. Hi, I'm Sanskriti Sethi. I'm an Akashic Record reader, a numerologist, psychic medium, an automatic writing and a mediumship coach, and a soul guide for all of you. Today in this video, we are going to explore the fascinating experience and wisdom related to twin souls through Akashic Records. ये तो पता है ना that through Akashic Records you can know if somebody is your twin soul or not. If you didn't know that, then you know it now. So if you believe in the concept of twin soul or twin flame, then this video is for you. This video is going to give you complete understanding of the concept of twin soul. So let's get started. Now first understand what are twin souls, and I'm going to show you the concept of twin soul with this wish cave. So now if you see, this is one soul, and now when they are separated, they are twin souls. Twin souls एक ही soul के दो हिस्से होते हैं, and this cannot go with anybody else, and this cannot go with anybody else too. So when they meet together, they feel fulfilled, complete, and become one soul. One part of the soul is called divine masculine, and the other part is called divine feminine. So the twin souls are the two halves of the same soul. Soulmates are multiple, but we are going to talk about that in some other video. The connection between these two halves of the same soul are so intense, challenging, loving, that even being around them, leaving them is impossible, and sometimes staying with them is equally impossible. This challenging, loving, and beautiful relationship is the twin soul journey. Twin souls take birth with each other to teach the lessons that they've not been able to learn since multiple past lives. They help each other to understand what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses that they both have. Twin souls, when they take birth together, it is the real transformation that they experience. Now let's understand how Akashic Records play an important role here. Now Akashic Records are vast archives of the memories, lifetimes that twin souls take together. Akashic Records have witnessed their separation, their rebirths, their soul contracts with each other. Akashic Record knows their present experiences, their past life, and the future proposition based on their current decisions in life. By accessing the Akashic Records, you understand what is the soul purpose if you are on a twin soul journey, what are the soul lessons that you've not been able to learn, and this is the life where you have to learn why this relationship is challenging, what is your twin soul here to teach you. If you have ever felt that twin soul journey is your journey, then you will absolutely resonate with this video. Stay till the end. Twin souls, when they take birth together, they take birth with a special purpose. It is for their spiritual awakening and break those loops that they have not been able to do from last multiple past lives. The twin souls often work on the shared wisdom and sometimes the shared missions in life. Whether it is healing, collective awakening of the consciousness, universal changes, they are here to understand the purpose together and grow in life. जरूरी नहीं है आपको और आपकी ट्विन सोल को एक साथ इस चीज की awakening हो. It is very much possible कि एक जनी को awakening है, दूसरे जनी को नहीं है. But when you start working on yourself, you become able to help the other person to get awakening, and that is a real twin soul journey. Twin soul journey is filled with challenges, filled with the roller coaster of emotions. But the Akashic Records is here to play the role where you will be able to navigate from those challenges and find solutions. By understanding the soul agreements between the twin souls, it helps you learn your soul lessons faster, acknowledge what you're going through in life. Healing is a significant part of twin soul journey. Therefore, we offer twin soul healing once you get your Akashic Record reading done. Akashic Records help you understand why you both are together in this world. What is your soul purpose? What is your soul lessons that you need to learn? What is your shared mission with your twin soul? By addressing these areas, you become able to address your blockages, your baggage from your past life, allowing the relationship to nurture, become better, and become inseparable. Now, one of my clients discovered during the Akashic Record reading, Akashic Record reading में पता लग गया था that they both are twin souls, and when we were discovering further during the healing, so they both were getting abandoned with each other's partner in life. And when they came for the reading, they understood that that they are twin souls. And healing के time जब उनके past life में जा रहे थे, we saw that they have abandoned each other in multiple lives. They were failing the lesson of family, giving, love. That abandonment start playing as the role theme in each and every relationship that they both had, eventually boosting their ego, stubbornness in life, and both of them started attracting health issues. Now, through the healings with Akashic Records, they both discovered the real essence of love within them, and their journey started. There are many stories. I'll share one more with you. So there was a couple who came to me, and they both are married to different partners now. But when they came to me, they were not married. They both were not married. So the purpose, the shared vision of the life was that they both are going to marry different partner and honor the marriage, or honor the spiritual awakening, honor the dependability, and come out of their sabotaging behavior of leaving everything in between, because that was hampering their spiritual journey altogether. I think I should often share some stories from my clients. So these were very, very short, but if you'll ask me in the comment section, I'm going to share more in the coming videos. So I hope you understand a lot about twin soul journey. And if you are on a twin soul journey and you want to check that out, and you need to book your Akashic Record reading, go in the description box. You can book the reading directly from the website, or hop onto our WhatsApp number, connect with our team, and come to meet me. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Write your experiences, questions, queries in the comment section, because I try to revert each and every one of them. And if you want me to make video on any other topic, you need to write that in the comment section. So soul family, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you soon.